Are you wondering if email marketing is something you should do in 2021? Then you should keep watching this video because I'm going to discover if email marketing still can generate leads for B2B organization or not. Keep watching. Hey, what's up marketers? I'm Eduard Dziak from B2B the place where you can learn how to effectively level up your B2B digital marketing without spending money on marketing agencies. And in today's video, I'm going to answer you the number one question, and that is if you should start with B2B email marketing, or if you are already using email marketing, if you still should be focusing on email marketing in 2021. Because a lot of change during 2020 due to COVID-19, and I will be only using the latest email marketing statistic from 2019 and 2020 to see how email marketing changed and if it still has a place in digital marketing activities for us B2B marketers. And without further ado, let's get started. As I mentioned, a lot of things changed in 2020 and digital marketing channels suddenly have become oversaturated. Example, from just a few webinars done by a few companies, suddenly every small and large business has started doing a webinar to replace lead generation from live events. And hey, no wonder. And the same applies to email marketing. A lot of marketers have seen an increase in engagement. Precisely 78% of marketers have seen an increase in email engagement over the last 12 months in 2020. And this might be because a lot of people were stuck at home during quarantine and had more time to read emails rather than being stuck in the jam. Also, from my personal experience, people prefer to use email for business communication, but on this later. And not only that, but 87% of B2B marketers reported email is one of their top 3 organic distribution channels because it is easy to quickly create an email to distribute your blogs or webinars and send it to only people who could be interested in that particular piece of content. And lastly, if you believe that your emails are not being opened due to oversaturation, then you are probably wrong because 99% of email users check their email every day, some as much as 20 times a day. So there is a big chance that the reason is not that your email box not have been seen, but rather did not catch the reader's attention and pique interest to open it for numerous reasons like badly personalized, not good preview text or headlines, or it might end up in the spam folder. And I could go even deeper, but from these 3 B2B email marketing statistics, I want to give you 5 reasons why email marketing is not dead in 2021 and still play a vital role in lead generation. From email marketing statistics and my own experience from my clients' email marketing results, I can definitely conclude that B2B email marketing isn't dead at all in 2021, and it still has a big impact on your marketing results if it's done correctly. Of course, there are a lot of things you must know to effectively drive lead generation from email marketing, like the basics of lead nurturing, personalization and targeting, and of course, it is not about volume but the quality. Also, customer experiences has become the top priority for businesses to effectively drive business forward and increase revenue in 2021. Thus, we can expect a lot of companies will invest in improving customer experiences. Therefore, rather than focusing on sending email to get more sales, focus on sending emails to provide better customer experiences, such as providing more educational emails to satisfy your prospects' information needs to make the purchasing decisions. This rather shift will help you to acquire more customers than sending sales and promotional emails. But let's look at the 5 main reasons why email marketing isn't dead in 2021 and why you should be using email marketing for lead generation for your company. The first reason is that now almost everyone is using and will be using email. While yet there are no official statistics from 2020 for how many email users worldwide there are, from the previous year 2019 they were 3.9 billion email users, and it was expected to climb to 4 billion users in 2020. And I strongly believe that this number was definitely reached, especially due to COVID-19 situation, when working from home became a thing and even less technical people had to use email more often. Heck, even my grandma started using email, but she was already using Facebook and Instagram before, so she had some background in using these kind of channels. But she told me she'd subscribe to the newsletter to receive promotions and interesting news of her interest. And not only older people had to start using emails for communications, but also young generation as well as Generation Z had to start using emails because of studying from home. So, because of COVID-19, many people, old and young, were forced to use email to complete daily tasks. Therefore, the usage of email grew in 2020, I believe, even more than it was predicted in 2019. So, for sure, even your target audience is using email daily, and you should definitely include email marketing in your content marketing strategy in 2021. The second reason why you should start using email marketing is that email marketing is delivering a strong ROI year over year. Recently, I've spent some time and done a research to see how email marketing was performing in the last 5 years. The reason was that I wanted to know what is the trend of email marketing and if the ROI of email marketing is going up or down. And from my research, I can see that the average email marketing is consistently delivering a great ROI year over year, where an average email marketing ROI is $42 across industries in the past 5 years. But if you look by industries, we can see that some are doing even much better than just getting 40 to 100% ROI from email marketing. According to HubSpot's latest research, the best ROI from email marketing is getting the travel industries, then media, and third e-commerce industry. But 18% of companies achieve ROI greater than $70 per $1 invested, and that is almost twice more than the average organization. Therefore, I definitely recommend you to start with B2B email marketing as soon as possible, because email marketing will be delivering great results even in 2021. Also, check out my links in the description for my favorite email marketing tools that I recommend everyone to start with, as they provide great features for an affordable price, and you can start effectively with email marketing. The third reason is that email marketing is the preferred choice for business communication for many business professionals. 86% of professionals give priority to email connection, and 73% of millennials prefer communication from business to come via email. My mentor always said, if you do not have it in email, it is not official. So whenever you make decision, send official email, do not WhatsApp. And I agree with this. And some people may argue that there is no difference between sending a message through the app or an email. Or even saying an app like WhatsApp, it makes it even faster to get things going. And I agree with this as well, as in many instances I prefer to send WhatsApp when I need something very fast to be read. So, while there could be a strong argument among using email and messaging apps, and each of those has its pros and cons, email is still very much the top preferred communication tool for businesses, especially in the beginning of communication with a brand or a customer. From my experience, usually in the later stage, people switch from using email to messaging apps for faster communication and send emails only to make an official statement or decision. So, I always recommend using email marketing to build trust and stay in touch with prospects in not an intrusive way, as sending every week WhatsApp lead nurturing message is not appropriate to someone who is not ready to buy yet. The fourth reason why you should be using email marketing and why email marketing is not dying is that it is super affordable to start with, as many email marketing vendors offer affordable pricing or even for free to start generating leads from email marketing. Therefore, this makes it easy and affordable to start for anyone and generate leads for a business. But of course, first you need to get email subscribers. And for that, I have an entire video which you can watch here after this video. However, to start, you can use some of the email marketing tools like Sendinblue and start for free with some great email marketing features like automation, personalization, segmentation, reporting, live chat, and CRM. Or if your business is more willing to, then you can invest in more advanced email marketing tools like GetResponse or HubSpot. Either way, email marketing is super affordable for anyone, and with the possibility of driving a lot of leads, it would be almost foolish to not start with email marketing. But hey, no judgment, and you know what is the best for your business. And I also understand that getting email subscribers is not that easy because the market is oversaturated. The last, fifth reason why email marketing is not dying is because of AI and how it will drive great results for your marketing and business. Artificial intelligence is a massive game changer in every industry. And I do not know a single industry that is or will not be affected by AI technology. And while not a long time ago, AI was only affordable to large organizations like Microsoft, Google, Apple, and so on, nowadays we can start to see that even small businesses can use some of the power of artificial intelligence. And that applies even to email marketing tools, as those started using AI to deliver better email marketing results. Artificial intelligence is helping us to send emails at the right time when your subscribers are most likely to open your email. Also, AI helps to move from basic personalization to expand the possibilities by using predictive analytics, customer data, and machine learning to predict future behavior based on previous interaction and data trends. And there is so much more, from automating content, optimizing subject lines, to analyzing and creating segments. Email marketing soon will be even easier and better to use, and remove the human factors like own experiences, thoughts, beliefs, and mores, and solely depend and based on data, which in most cases deliver better results. I'm sorry humans, and sorry to myself as well, but there's no offense. Data just rule. So, email marketing and AI will be the main driver of delivering maybe even stronger ROI, and most importantly, help us to do more with less. And you already can use some of the AI features within email marketing. Therefore, without any hesitation, I recommend every company to start with email marketing in 2021. And the last thing I want to share with you is that you can start with email marketing easily and cheaply in 2021 and start driving leads for your business by using email marketing tools. Email marketing isn't dead, and it never was. And many organizations, small and large, are driving excellent results with email marketing strategy, and you can too as well. So, if you have never started with email marketing, simply follow this framework and you will start generate leads. First, subscribe to some of the email marketing tools. You can check out my favorite here in the description. Second, create 3 to 5 basic segments of your prospects that you see the most. Third, start creating automation for those segments to lead nurture those leads by creating educational emails. Fourth, create newsletter and content upgrades for your website to drive subscribers. You can read this article to learn more about content upgrades. And the last, fifth step, optimize based on statistics. Of course, there is so much more that you need to learn, but always the most important aspect of every strategy is to start. And later you can use some of the best email marketing practices and tactics to improve your results. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video if you liked it and leave a comment below what you think about email marketing for B2B businesses. By the way, check out all my links in the description for some of my favorite email marketing, SEO and other digital marketing tools to help you level up your marketing. Ciao!